To talk about some things that are happening on the Hill, a couple of updates for you guys. So I want to start first with that vote in Congress to decriminalize marijuana. The vote happened a little bit earlier today. Give us all of the updates.
Yeah, the House passed the MORE Act 228 to 164. So this is a really big moment for legalization advocates. This is going to end that discrepancy that we see between federal and state law. But it's really important to note here that the Senate is probably not going to take up this bill at this point. It faces a very uncertain future in the Senate. We did see 5 Republicans vote for this bill, and then we saw 6 Democratic lawmakers oppose it. So it was a bipartisan vote, just barely. Republicans really have been bashing Democrats for taking up this legislation before they figure out a deal on COVID relief. But we did hear from Democrats on the House floor today saying that they've already passed 2 versions of the HEROES Act. They're blaming Republicans for stimulus talk stalling. But regardless, this is a historic moment for advocates of legalization. People I talk to say whether or not the Senate actually moves forward on this sends a very strong message to the country of what more and more people are wanting.
Critical time where I had a summer where I played basketball when I was like 10, 11 years old, and a very prominent summer league in Philadelphia called the Sunny League. And my father played, my uncle played, and they were like all-time great teams and stuff. And Will Chamberlain played in the league, Earl Pro Monroe played in the league. And here I come playing, and I don't score 1 point the entire summer.
Really?
Not one. How old were you? 11, 10, 11?
You playing against other 10, 11-year-olds?
Sorry.
You didn't score once.
Not one.
Were you in the game?
I was in the game.
How'd you not score?
That was terrible.
Really?
Yeah. That happened 11 years old.
Many thanks, as I'm humbled already by everyone's support.
Appreciate you.
I'm just chilling.
You get a free stock in your account that can be worth anywhere from $12 all the way up to $1,400.
It's free real estate.
Totally free. You can just sign like Microsoft, Visa, Johnson & Johnson. All you gotta do is sign up for my link down in the description. Sign up for Robinhood. All you gotta do is fill out some information about yourself and link your bank account. And literally, that's it. That's all you gotta do.
Yeah, I'm actually a nice person.
Light up that like button, or smash the like button. Regardless of which metaphor you prefer, this small action really helps me grow the channel, and I appreciate it.
Hey, thanks. Have a great day.